Have you ever found a great article online? Something you want to save, study, or share? The first thing most of us do is reach for the browser's print to PDF function. It should be simple, right? A quick click, and you have a perfect copy. But as we're about to see, the reality is often very different. In this video, I'm going to show you the perfect solution for this, the Link to PDF tool by Innate Blogger. But before we dive into how it works, let's take a closer look at the problem we're all trying to solve. We'll start with this insightful article. It's full of great information we want to keep. Now, let's try to save it using the standard browser print option and see what happens. Instantly, the print preview reveals a cluttered mess. Notice how the website's main navigation bar is still there at the top, and the sidebar is taking up valuable space. As we scroll down, we see ads, embedded videos we can't use in a PDF, and a long list of related posts that make the document unnecessarily long. This isn't a clean document. Now, let's fix this. All we need to do is copy the article's URL from the address bar. And now we'll use the Link to PDF tool by Innate Blogger. Simply paste that same URL into the input box and click Preview. And just like that, the magic happens. Our smart readability engine gets to work, instantly stripping away all the junk. Notice what's missing. The ads are gone, the navigation is gone, the sidebars are gone. All you're left with is the pure, clean content of the article itself. This is what you actually wanted to save. But here's where you get true control. Let's say this FAQ section at the end isn't relevant for your needs. No problem. Simply hover your mouse over it, and you'll see a Click to Remove prompt. One click, and it's gone. You can do this with any paragraph, image, or section you don't want. Notice that the source link is included at the top for proper citation. If you don't need it, just click Remove. Now let's fine-tune the appearance. Let's make the text a little smaller for a more compact layout, say 90%. And for the images, maybe we feel they're a bit too large. Let's reduce them to 50% to save space and keep the focus on the text. You can even hide images completely for a text-only version. Now let's click the Print button again and see the real difference. The print preview is now clean, professional, and perfectly formatted. It's a truly useful, high-quality document. But what about more advanced formatting? For reports or long documents, you often want a new section to start on a fresh page. Our tool makes this incredibly simple. Let's exit the print preview and click the Add Page Break button. Now as you hover over the content, the prompt changes. Let's add a page break right above this heading. Just click, and a visual indicator shows you where the new page will begin. Let's check the print preview one more time. And there it is. The first part of the article is on page 1, and the next section starts fresh on page 2. Now, here's a pro tip for the best quality. In your printer destination, change the option from Microsoft Print to PDF to Save as PDF. This will ensure the PDF isn't flattened and that all your links will be clickable. Once you've selected that, let's save it. Just click Save, give your file a name, and your clean PDF is downloaded and ready. Let's open it up. It's exactly what we designed. Clean, easy to read, and professionally formatted with fully functional links. And remember, this entire powerful tool works just as seamlessly on your mobile phone or tablet, so you can convert articles on the go. Visit the Link to PDF tool by Innate Blogger, link in the description, and experience the difference for yourself. It's fast, easy, and completely free.